रेल्वे ट्रॅक दोट्टीकरण, पावर लायन ट्रान्समिशन, राष्ट्रीय महामार्गाचे रुंदीकरण ह्या विशीं लोकांक जागृत करपाक शेनवारा चिखले ग्राउंडार जागृताय कार्यावळ जाली. RDX गोवा खातीर चिखलेच्यान प्रसाद नाईक.
Captain, today there was a meeting on Molam issue at Chikalim ground. What do you have to say about this?
Today, incidentally, is the 50th village that we are covering with an awareness program. Aaj amchi half century jata. And basically, we are telling the people that how this destruction of Goa is going to happen. It is imminent because the coal is going to come to MPT and it is going to be transported to 3 modes: double tracking, rivers and the roads, that is the expansion of national highway. So we are showing with facts, with documents, with documentary proof, so that people come to know, and we are telling the people, let's come out, let's join hands. This fight is not for us, this fight is for the future generations which are yet to be born.
You were at this program here in Chikalim Panchayat ground. What do you have to say about this?
We are having a series of these sort of meetings to create an awareness amongst the people, because people are not aware of what could be the effects of coal, what could be the effects of double tracking that the government is thinking of having, what could be the effects of the power transmission line that we are going to bring through the Western Ghats, which is the UNESCO's heritage site that is being declared. We are also not aware of what is going to happen when the coal is being transported by the trucks or by the trains. We have got absolutely no awareness that is being created, and that was the duty of the project proponents. There are 3 things that you must remember. One is what is called the risk analysis. That is the first thing. Analyze the risk of the project that you're going to bring it into a state or in any territory. The second one that you have to do is risk mitigation. How are you going to reduce these risks? We are supposed to inform the people, and that is the third one, risk information. All these 3 things are not being done. They are all the time trying to cover up. Why are you trying to cover up? The reason is simply because you want to bring up this project and dump it on the Goans. You can't dump it on the Goans just like that. Goan people are sharp today, they are educated, they go on the Google, they research for themselves, and we have found out that there are so many fallacies into the project that is being brought. One such thing is the precautionary principle. When we talk about the precautionary principle, it is part of our environmental law.